What if I told you that you can start earning $10 to $100 per day online using just your phone or laptop without any investment? And the best part is, in 2026, companies are spending billions of dollars hiring freelancers, which means more opportunities and higher payouts than ever before. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 freelancing websites that can help you make real money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure you watch till the end, because the #1 platform can literally change your life. Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to make money online, build freelancing skills, and tap into high-income opportunities, then this content is exactly for you. Let's get started. First, we have Fiverr, which is one of the best platforms for beginners. On Fiverr, you can start selling simple services like logo design, video editing, AI content writing, or even voiceover work. The key to making good money here is to focus on high CPM niches like AI services, SEO, or website design, because these attract higher-paying clients. Many freelancers are already earning between $500 to $2,000 per month just from Fiverr. Next is Upwork, a platform known for high-paying clients and long-term projects. This is where serious businesses, startups, and even large companies hire freelancers. You can find jobs in web development, digital marketing, copywriting, and app development. If you really want to increase your RPM and overall earnings, you should focus on targeting clients from countries like the US and UK and aim for long-term contracts. Some freelancers on Upwork charge anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour. At number 3, we have Freelancer.com, a global freelancing marketplace with lots of opportunities. Here, you can bid on projects, participate in contests, and quickly build your portfolio. The best strategy for beginners is to start with low-competition jobs to gain experience and positive reviews, and then gradually increase your rates as you grow. Moving on to Total, this is a premium freelancing platform where only the top 3% of freelancers get accepted. It's more difficult to join, but the rewards are huge. If you have strong skills in development, design, or finance, you can earn between $50 to $150 per hour. This is considered a high-ticket freelancing platform, meaning extremely high income potential if you qualify. Finally, we have People Per Hour, which is an underrated but powerful platform. Not many people talk about it, so there's less competition compared to other websites. You can offer hourly services or fixed-price gigs in areas like SEO optimization, AI automation, and social media management. Because of the lower competition, it's often easier to get clients and start earning quickly. Now, here's a bonus strategy if you want to maximize your income. Focus on learning high-paying skills like AI tools, copywriting, web development, or digital marketing. Always try to target international clients, especially from high-paying countries, and build a strong profile with a solid portfolio. This is how you increase both your CPM and RPM potential over time. So these were the top 5 freelancing websites in 2026. If you want to learn how to get your first client or earn your first $100 online step by step, make sure you subscribe and check out my next video. And comment START below. I'll guide you personally.